Hello, what would you think of 3 acres, a house that's almost like 90% brand new inside, an amazing 40 by 60 shop, all right in the city of Lee Summit. So you're not dealing with a septic tank and you don't have to deal with any of that stuff. Here's the front yard. It's a pretty nice place. And then we've got the grass will be planted out here when it's a little more appropriate for planting grass. So this home it's I think about 2,600 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, wonderful big master primary suite here, and just a lot of great stuff going on. Brand new, everything. I mean, the kitchen's brand new. It's all just been redone nicely. The couple family who redid it has, they have a custom kitchen business, and they made a really nice custom kitchen. So here's the backyard. It's out right around 3 acres. It has a shed over there, and pardon the wind, has a nice shed there, and behind that there's actually a stable, because this used to have 9 acres and they had horses and stuff. So I'll show you this shop. It's got a new garage door coming for this. It's a couple weeks out because it's kind of a special size. It's a big garage door. It's going right here. It's got an opener. There's a door here, but they wanted to get a nicer one that was prettier and looked better. So this shop is 40 by 60. It's got a pedestrian walk-in door over there. They got more gravel coming. We got to make this a little more covered here, a little more gravel, and you have this nice covered area. And this is on the north side of the shop, so you've got just great shade over here. Then there's the brand new deck. It's got railing that's going to be put on that still. Propane for heat, and the furnace is the only thing that is on that heat, on that propane, pardon me. There's the back of the house. Roof is brand new. HVAC is brand new. Electrical has been redone. The plumbing has been redone. It's like a new house in a previous location. So we'll go on inside and take a look. You gotta stay with me. We're gonna do that master bedroom last because it's pretty cool. So this door is pretty awesome. You can see they've got the 2 lights on the side. Nice custom door. Kick my shoes off. So when we get inside here, this is the living room. You've got a lot of laminate here. Got a built-in little buffet type thing over there for storage here next to the table. And you've got this nice open area here to walk in. Tons of lighting. Fireplace is awesome. It's electric, so you don't have to worry about cutting wood, even though there's plenty of trees around here. You don't have to worry about that. This is a nice little feature. It's a more current feature here. You got plug here. You can have your little spot for plugging in your phones and dumping all those. Of course, we have a coat closet. Like I said, new stuff. The windows are all new too. Over there's the primary master bedroom. We'll get to that last. Got some built-in shelves over there with a couple more plugs built in there. If you want to have your Scentsy things or maybe Christmas decorations on the shelf there, you've got those options. That fireplace, you just flip on with a switch, or a remote actually. Here's the back. And once again, grass seed will be planted out here. It's just too hot to do it yet. Here's that kitchen. Wonderful big island with storage on both sides. You can see that. We've got cabinets under here. And we have this buffet over here. Could be a cool coffee bar. It's got an outlet there. Could be just be whatever you want. I don't know what you might want to do with it. Got built-in pantry on both sides of the fridge, as well as storage above. We've got this back door and then the back door over there. It's really kind of nice. Got room back here if you wanted to get a pool later on or do something like that. You certainly could have a nice pool above ground or in ground, whatever you want. Several of the neighbors out here have in-ground pools. You got these big drawers, which I wish my house had. Instead of digging through a cabinet looking for pots and pans, you can actually set them in a drawer, pull them out, and you see that quiet, slow close, whatever that's called. Slow close cabinets there. Like I said, these guys have a kitchen business, so they make them look great. They also like to get creative with the lighting, so you've got just nice light fixtures throughout the house. Got a few things that are incomplete that are still going to be done, but they're just details and they're all in the works. Here's the hall bath. I think it's a pretty cool bathroom. So when I came over, I wondered why this looks like that. It's because the stairs go below there. So you really just have this kind of blank cabinet spot there. But that's because there's stairs down there. Then we've got the buttons on the light here for different things. Apparently I don't know how to use. I don't know the secret. Oh, there went, change colors. So you got more of a cooler color, and a warmer color, and probably a daylight option. See, now I'm getting the mirror dirty. That does suck though. You get fingerprints on the window all the time. Oh, we can make it brighter, maybe. And, oh, I wonder if that's like so it doesn't steam up. Probably messing things up. So it's got buttons on the mirror. Got great bath over here with a nice new window, of course. Got some built-in space over here for your linens. Medicine cabinet up here. They've still got a few details like the hardware to take care of. Like I said, but they've been working hard on this, and they still run their business and taking care of other folks. So they've had a lot going on. But the house looks fantastic. So this was the master before they added on the brand new master. So we'll show you this. It's another cool light fixture with a fan. Once again, the windows. And over there is that little stable. The second building right there is the stable. And we are on Pryor Road in Lee Summit. So Pryor Meadows, I think, is nearby. See, this is the original primary bath and suite here. No shower. So the new one has that. Of course, we got new tubs, new toilet, got the water saver feature. Yeah, I love this mirror. You just pick good options for decorating and making it look great. Now, these two bedrooms are pretty standard bedrooms. Got this real wood floor in here, by the way. I got someone coming to take a look at this home, so when she shows up, I may end kind of abruptly. Got a little shoe shelf down there, and then of course hanging space up above, and the doors slide nicely. I see so many homes where they just take the doors out because they suck, especially those folding doors. I think this accent wall, I think it looks pretty cool. And it's green, matches the cabinets, I believe. Then we got another closet. Ta-da! Fantastic. All right, leave that light on for showing my client. All right, so over there, primary suite. You can't see it yet. We're gonna go downstairs first. Ta-da! So down here, we have another full bath with a nice big shower. And they kept the tub because you never know when dog needs a bath or little ones need a bath. You know, little kids love playing with all their boats and stuff in the tub, or their frog toys or whatever they got. Maybe a real frog. Have another back door here. And this space could be your family room. Could be your I don't have a family room, I just hang out by myself room. Could be an office. You can do whatever you want to do with it. It's a really nice space. It echoes a little bit because it's a nice sized room down here. And once again, new windows, new lights, everything's been redone in here and it looks fantastic. They thought about putting like a bedroom down here, but by the way the walkway is, and you have to have this beam in the middle, it's kind of hard to make it a bedroom. But if somebody really wanted to, they could divide this right there, put a door right there, maybe have a bedroom here and kind of a mud room going out back there. You can do a variety of things with it. You can still set this up as kind of a mud room area if you wanted, and have that for where you walk in, because washer and dryer go right here. And here's where the washer and dryer go. It's all set up for those, and it's ready to go. Let's get natural light in the laundry room. My wife would kill for that. Not kill that, she'd kill for that. And this is kind of nice too. Instead of having to put your soap and all that good stuff up on that shelf or on top of the machine, you can actually put it in here and have access to it from either side. But we're not done yet. We don't get to see that bedroom yet. Here's the other side of that closet. All right, let's go on downstairs. All right, so this room is the basement, obviously. And I believe they intend to spray paint the ceiling up here like with black paint to make it look kind of a little more contemporary and give it a cleaner look. Got new electric panel over there, 200 amps, new water heater, electric, new furnace. I mean, there's not a lot of old, even though it's an older home. That's stacked vent dry, pardon me, I can't speak. Drain stacks, all PVC, no cast iron stuff leaking from the inside, which happens. You can see we've got all the PEX, all the plumbing's been replaced. This place is a renewed house, probably a good way to see it. Even the vent, the ducts, you see this, it's all been replaced and updated. So, and then there's a fan. I'm not sure that's what that's for. Maybe just ventilation to keep moisture down here. I'll ask and find out if anyone has questions. All right, let's go check out that primary suite. There's a little piece coming for that. And looks like she's not here yet. So it has a circle drive in front, and then of course the driveway goes back to that shop. So here's the primary bedroom. Tell me what you think of that fan slash light. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, let's see if I can turn it on. Lots of light in here. And gotta have remote controls for things. Let's see. Oops, I just turned it on and off. Right. Oh, there it goes. See the fan? And it's got like a timer if you just want the fan on for a little bit. You can switch directions with the remote. You don't have to try to reach up to a chain that's way above your head. Then we got a great accent wall. Kind of nice. You don't have to wonder where should I put the bed. It kind of designates a great spot for it just by having that nice accent wall. All right, and there's my wife's car. I should say our car. I drive it more than she does these days. Oh, ceiling, it's way up there. Tons of great space in here. And then the closet, or pardon me, bathroom and closet. We got the double doors there, which is really kind of nice. And we come in here. Love that vanity. It's very, very nice. It's not all solid white on the countertop. It really adds a nice contrast to the rest of the kind of white. And then we've got the grayish in the shower. Got onyx floor down there. Onyx base. And nice storage up here, built-in storage. Just looks fantastic. And we'll close that up. Once again, water saver toilet. This is all brand new stuff, guys. This is, what I mentioned, they do have a cabinet business. They do bathroom cabinets as well. And I love having that recessed under there. You don't see it when you come in the bathroom. And then we've got a little medicine cabinet here. And the closet. Looks like she's not here yet, so we're good on time. So, true story. This little thing, it's not just shelving. It's actually made strong enough to use as a little ladder, so you can hang your out of season stuff up there. Let me show you how it works. It doesn't have a little handle, and you can't use these things. So, see if I can climb up here with one hand. I guess you can just grab onto those. So, yeah, now I can even climb up one more step. And my 5'8"ness can reach way up to the rod that's way up there. Would I want to do that all the time? No. But if it's swapping out seasonal stuff, works just fine. So anyways, I thought that was a pretty cool feature. Yeah, and I wanted to share. And I didn't kill myself. Oh, we have a pocket door here. That thing slides like butter. And let's take a look. So that's the house. Let me grab my shoes and we'll step out that back door because my client is not here yet. So this is my son's listing. So I'm able to show it and to buyers and stuff too. I mean, Josh could too, but it works better if potential buyers are not represented by him since he does represent the sellers. Yeah, the sellers are, family. His wife's family, so. we want to make sure he represents them well because they're awesome people. So let's step out on the deck. Like I said, there's 2 back doors here. So we'll come out here and lots of can lights out here, a fan. You could get a TV and mount it up here if you wanted to. There's outlets here for it. Ta-da. And they're gonna get rails out here still and get this all, safer so people don't fall off the deck. HVAC, once again, brand new. Got lighting for another light, or power above that door for another light. And those are just little things they're gonna get done still. They wanted to get it on the market to get people out here to check it out and potentially purchase the house. So that's that shop. As you can see, there's a great space there. You could, if you wanted to, you could have your grill, kind of have your hangout place over there in the shade, as well as this deck. I mean, right now it's 4:30. This faces west. Half of the deck is shady, and some of it's like spotted with shade from the trees over there. So I mean, there's plenty of shade out here. Great breeze today. It's actually quite nice. So the property line goes back to these trees right here. That's the fence line. And they're gonna get it, like right there was a gate there. We're gonna close that off with a fence so there's no gate anymore. And then over here, you see there's a little tree line by this shed. The property line goes further over. There's a fence over there, and it goes over that direction. So that is the hideaway, and I would walk that way, but that's a little damp, so I'm not gonna walk through that. But I'll show you a little more of the house. All right, so this oven is one of those that is a air fryer and broiler. Of course, it does all the stuff, but it has the air fryer options too, which is kind of cool. I don't even have a countertop air fryer, but this one has all that. And it's an induction cooktop, so it doesn't burn stuff on it and make a mess. And then we've got the below counter mounted sink, which is got the smaller side over here for the disposal and all that. And then you got the bigger side for other stuff. And let's see, just traditional. Ooh, there's snacks. I don't think those are for me. More stuff here, but there's tons of stuff. Oh, look at the drawers. As you can see, it's a work in progress still. Of course, they will clean all this out, but it's got drawers there and there, and those are adjustable. I mean, they're in place now, but they can be moved if someone wants them in a different place. And I think my client is showing up, so I'm going to let you go. If you are curious about this home, this accent wall here is cool. If you're curious about this home or any other home in the metro, me, my kids, we work all over the metro. Ashley lives up north. I live down south. Josh is on the east side. 2 of us work in Kansas also. We can help you buy, sell in the Kansas City area, and frankly, anywhere in the U.S. We have a great network of agents all over the country. We can interview somebody for you, weed out the scary agents and match you with a great agent who will fit your personality. So I would love it if you need help with real estate that you call the Fyffe family and let us help you out. Take care. Have an amazing day. My number is 816-935-5013. My office number with Keller Williams Southland Partners is 816-331-2323. Take care, guys. Come look at a house with us.